Margarita Magic, because every great bartender deserves a gorgeous kitchen. Let's be honest, sometimes the best part of coming home isn't dinner, it's happy hour. Whether it's casual Friday night, Taco Tuesday, or just a long day deserves a drink kind of evening, the homemade margarita can turn your kitchen into the hottest bar in town. But before we start mixing, let's talk about your setup. If your current kitchen doesn't inspire your inner bartender, maybe it's time to find one that does. A bright, open kitchen with a big island and plenty of counter space isn't just great for meal prep. It's perfect for showing off your mixology skills. Picture yourself blending fresh fruit, salting glasses, and impressing guests with your signature margarita in your brand new dream kitchen. So here's how we make them. Classic margarita, the timeless favorite. Ingredients: 2-ounce tequila, silver or respirado, 1 ounce triple sec or Cointreau, 1 ounce freshly squeezed lime juice, salt for the rim, lime wedge for garnish, and your directions. Rub a lime wedge around the rim of your glass and dip it in salt. In a shaker, add tequila, triple sec, lime juice, and ice. Shake it up like you're on vacation in Cabo. Strain into your glass and garnish with a lime wedge. Crisp, tart, and dangerously delicious. Next, we have the strawberry margarita, sweet and flirty. Ingredients: 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce triple sec, 1 ounce lime juice, and 3 to 4 fresh strawberries. Half an ounce of simple syrup is optional. Directions: blend everything with ice until smooth. Pour into a chilled glass and garnish with a strawberry. This one's for those who like a little sweetness with their sass. Next, spicy jalapeno margarita, for the bold. Ingredients: 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce triple sec, 1 ounce lime juice, 2 to 3 jalapeno slices, more if you're brave, agave syrup to taste. Directions: muddle the jalapenos in your shaker, add the remaining ingredients, and shake with ice. Pour, sip carefully, and feel that kick. Watermelon margarita, summer in a glass. Ingredients: 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce Cointreau, 1 ounce lime juice, half a cup of seedless watermelon chunks, and ice. Directions: blend until smooth and strain if you want it silky. This is the one that'll make your friends ask, "You made this?" Now imagine making any of these drinks in your dream kitchen. Bright quartz countertops, big open island, and a view that screams margarita hour. If your current kitchen doesn't inspire your inner mixologist, it might be time to find one that does. I can help you find a home that's perfect for your culinary and cocktail adventures. You can email me at margaret.klein@exprealty.com. You look at my website at margaretsells.dreamhomes.com. You can give me a call, 321-480-7662. And don't forget YouTube, where you can watch walkthroughs and see some more recipes at Dream Homes, Space Coast, Florida. Because life's too short for a bad margarita or a boring kitchen. Cheers to new homes and new cocktails. Margaret Klein signing off, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for some more great recipes and a few more home hints and home walkthroughs. Thanks. Bye-bye.